pre-filter as in and out. Right side you can see out and left side you can see in. So we have to remove tube from out. So first we need to remove this clip, then you can easily remove the tube. Okay, I have removed the tube from out. Then go to in and remove the tube from in. So I have removed the tube from both in and out. After that we can open the pre-filter. So inside you can see the filter tube. So let me remove that filter tube. So here you can see in the side you can see the O-ring. So this leak mainly happens because of the issue of this O-ring. So you have to clean this O-ring, then put it back. The most of the time that will fix the leak. If that does not fix, you have to buy the new O-ring and then put it there. So that O-ring you can easily remove. So I will show you how to remove that O-ring. So you can easily take that O-ring out, then just wash it that O-ring and the tube, then put everything back. If there is any damage in the O-ring, you have to buy the new one. Okay, so this way you can fix the leak of pre-filter.